Thank you for requesting spooky, scary skeletons. And this dance was a trend on TikTok in 2019, but you still requested it, so I made it for you. This dance was made by Minecrafter2011, and it is a little harder than it looks, but I'm going to help you out. If you want to help me out, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, check some ads here and there, you know, and yeah, just watch the whole video and have some fun. So let's get started. For this whole dance, you need to be light on your feet, which means you're not flat on your foot, but on your toes, or sometimes even on your heels when we do that move, yeah? But make it light, like you're doing jump ropes, okay? So, for the first move, we're going to lift your leg, and then you're going to kick out, yes? So there's a bit of a jump, kick. So practice this with me. So your feet are under your body, so you're standing, and then you kick out, bring it back, kick out, bring it back, kick out. So as you can see, you're not staying on one spot, yeah? You're kicking out and you're jumping a little bit. And then we do the same on the other side. You're on your right leg, you jump out, jump out, jump out, jump out. And this is easier when you're more on your toe, yeah? So you don't have to make it too big, just as long as it's light. Yes? Okay, so now we're going to combine the two. So we start out with right leg up, you're going to punch out and punch. So you're going to jump from left to left and onto your right. All right, let's do that again. So we have and 1 and 2. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2. So if you feel that it's a little bit different, check if your feet are jumping, like you're moving from here to there. Because some people do this, and then they stay on one spot. That's not good. Make sure you jump, you reset, and you jump. Yeah, so make that hop. All right, combining the arms. So we have and 1 and 2. You punch, and your arm make a circular movement. Yeah, so boom, ba, punch, 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 punch. And see how my upper body is moving to the side? It's like you're doing this. Yeah, so make sure this stays jumping. And like I said, don't stay here. Don't stay here. You're gonna get confused. Yeah? Jump out and out. Keep going. Out and out and all right, so it would have been easier if the dance was only that. So we have and 1 and 2 and, yeah, so you jump and jump and eventually you want to make it less chop, chop, chop. It's a little bit more fluid, yes? So we have and 1 and 2 and then we're going to get this roll out, yeah? And you jump on your heel and ha. I think it's just 1, 2, yeah? So 1, 2. So at the same time, you're gonna go heel, toe, heel. And also this, light and here. So you jump on your heel, bring your feet, your toes in, and your left in the front. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. And then with the arms, it's a roll stick. And by stick, I mean you hold it here, not too long, but they're straight, yeah? Here and here. Yes? I'm gonna try to do this slow. Ha, ha, ha. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hoo, hoo, hoo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoo, shoo, shoo. 5, 6, 7, 8, shoo, shoo, shoo. 5, 6, 7, 8, shoo, shoo, shoo. All right, so when we have had and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. So you punch, 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 and punch. Those actually, you keep rolling, rolling, roll, and roll. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. From here, we're going to go to the front, to the back, and we're going to have this little, yeah? So this, I don't know if you know how it's called, but it's the Charleston step. It's like an old school, very, very old dance, but a little bit different. So when we're here, you're going to bring right to the front and left. So also this is on the toes. You can do it on the flat foot, but it's a little bit more heavier, yeah? So you are here, step right, left, left, and right. If you're having trouble with the feet, try to make it big. And this is like a weird move, but what you want to do is bring your heels out. Yes? So you can do this very big if you want to, but if you make it smaller, this is what happens. Heel out, heel in. Out, here, and it's more on your toes. Yeah? So if you want to practice it, you could do this and make it very big, because this is pretty much what happens. If you're really having trouble, you can always step to the front and step to the back, because that's what happens. When we're here, you're gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can also do 1, 2, 3, 4 and make it bigger. Yeah? I love it when dances are big, but also very clean. And by clean, I mean that it's not too sloppy. All right? So we are, let's go from here, boom. So we've had boom, boom, So we're gonna move on. When we're here, ba, boom, and ha. So listen to that rhythm. So we had boom, boom, and yeah? Boom, boom, and ha. Ti, 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 ti. Ti, 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 ti. Ti, 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 ti. Yeah, and this is like more like a up, like you want to lift off, yeah? Your hands, your fingers go up, yeah? So you have boom, ba, 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 ba. So let's do it from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yeah, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. T, 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 and T, 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 cha. Yeah, T, 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 T. T, 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 T. So, when we're here, ba, we're going to punch out, roll, punch. And it's the same as in the beginning when we have had boom, 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 ba. Yeah? Punch, punch, So this also is light on your feet. Yes? So it's actually the same. So you kick out, wait, kick out. And when you do this, you punch out with your arms. It's like you're putting something away, roll, away. So you go around, away. So boom, ba, boom, ha. So let's do that slowly. So you have away, roll, away. Yeah, away, roll, away. So as you can see, my arms go like this, round, ba, boom, 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 pa. So they're here, roll, ha. So from here, you go around and throw it away. Yes? So we've had boom, boom, ha, ha. This is where it might be a bit difficult. So we do this, ha, ha, and ha. This part comes really fast. You don't have time to make it big, yeah? So when you do this, here, ha, ha, and ha. So if you can, please do it, yeah? Make it big, yeah? Here. So you do this, this. So this is the same as when we do this, the Charleston step, just with one arm, and then from here, ha, ha, ah, ah, we're going to end it. All right, the last part. So we've had boom, 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 and boom. Yes? So after this, boom, 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 and bam. It's pretty much almost from your kick, you get into the next move. And the next move is the same as this one, yeah? But done with one arm, yes? So boom, and boom, ka. We don't do that much, but it's the same, yeah? Just one arm, and then we finish it off. So, we do boom, 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 and pa, and ha, 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 ah, ah. This arm, you don't have to have it in your side. He does it, but you could just go from here, 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 and ha if you want to, or have your hand on your back, whatever you want, yes? But we're going to do it in the side because he does it. So, let's do it from here, here, ha, ah, ah, ha, 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 ah, ah. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, 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 and boom, 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 boom. Yeah? Boom, ba, 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 ba. So you can have your hand like this or like this. Yes? All right, so let's do it from the same part again, from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, whoop, pa, boom, pa, and ha, 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 ah, ah. And this, like I said, you could go to the side, yeah, go to the back, whatever you want. Let's do it from the beginning, slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8, and do, 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 and do, 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 and ha, and do, 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 and do, 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 and ha. So, now it's time to do it with the music. In the description, there's a link. You can click it and you can do it with the music, all right? First, we're going to go slow and then you build it up until you got it on the normal speed, all right? Have fun and don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and I will see you the next time.